Emmanuel, and ransom captive Israel, that mourns in lonely exile here, until the Son of God appear. Rejoice, rejoice, Emmanuel shall come to thee, O Israel. O come thou wisdom from on high, O dress all things mightily, to us the path of knowledge show, and teach us their ways to go. Rejoice, rejoice, Emmanuel shall come to thee, O Israel. O come thou day spring from on high, and cheer us by thy drawing nigh. Disperse the gloomy clouds of night, and this dark shadow put to flight. Rejoice, rejoice, Emmanuel shall come to thee, O Israel.